Now we must connect the USB and external powering for light, for all light. Okay, just press this knob, this rotary encoder, switch of rotary encoder. Okay, and step sequencer start and ready to detect MIDI notes. We have here the button pad is okay, and with external power I simply switch on, and the circle of LED with potentiometer is okay. The light progress and react with position of potentiometer, of each potentiometer. Okay, now we can go on the Ableton or another software for music creation, and we can see the setting in the MIDI setting of software, of PC software or Mac. On USB, the computer find the HUMANIZER, same an external MIDI device. Okay, just click option, preferences, and here we have my MIDI controller, my HUMANIZER here, Gold and Priest is the name of the firmware on the HUMANIZER. It's plug and play, just connect USB and is okay. The computer find same a MIDI device, Golden Priest. Set input, MIDI input HUMANIZER and output HUMANIZER. MIDI port in, check track, check the sync, and for MIDI command, check also remote. The remote is a MIDI command, a CC MIDI command. And for light, for MIDI note visualizer, the MIDI note visualizer works with MIDI output, the MIDI reading. MIDI note are sound by Ableton and check by the Arduino to detected the MIDI note on and the MIDI note off. And also the MIDI note visualizer works with the steps sequencer here. Okay, the settings are good for my MIDI controller. Okay.